Nitrogen, the invisible force of life. Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the periodic table. Today, we embark on a journey through the captivating world of nitrogen, an essential element that quietly shapes life on Earth and influences various aspects of science and industry. An overview of nitrogen. Meet nitrogen, symbol N, and atomic number 7. It's the unassuming but crucial element that makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen's unique properties and roles are hidden in plain sight, making it a linchpin of life and scientific progress. Elemental purity. Nitrogen is known for its elemental purity, existing in the form of N2, a diatomic molecule. It consists of two nitrogen atoms bonded together, forming a remarkably stable and unreactive compound. This stability plays a critical role in maintaining the integrity of Earth's atmosphere, as well as in various industrial applications. Nitrogen in Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen constitutes approximately 78% of Earth's atmosphere, making it the most abundant gas in the air we breathe. Its presence acts as a natural insulator, protecting the planet from harmful solar radiation and providing a stable environment for life to flourish. Despite its abundance, nitrogen is chemically inert in its atmospheric form, N2. This inertness ensures that nitrogen doesn't readily react with other elements, contributing to the atmosphere's stability. Nitrogen in life. Nitrogen is the silent hero of life on Earth. It is a fundamental component of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and forms the basis of DNA, RNA, and other essential biomolecules. Through the nitrogen cycle, plants, bacteria, and other organisms transform atmospheric nitrogen into forms that can be used for growth and metabolism. This process ensures a continuous supply of this vital element to all living organisms. Nitrogen in agriculture. Nitrogen's role extends to agriculture, where it is a key component in fertilizers. Nitrogen-based fertilizers provide plants with the essential nutrients they need to thrive, increasing crop yields and supporting global food production. However, the excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers can lead to environmental issues, such as groundwater pollution and the release of greenhouse gases. Nitrogen in scientific research. Nitrogen's versatility extends to scientific research. Liquid nitrogen is used to cool and enable the operation of superconducting magnets in nuclear magnetic resonance, spectrometers, and magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) machines. Moreover, nitrogen gas is used to create an inert atmosphere in laboratories, which is crucial for various chemical reactions, material synthesis, and analytical techniques. Our journey through the world of nitrogen has revealed its unassuming but pivotal roles in sustaining life, supporting agriculture, driving industrial processes, and advancing scientific research. Nitrogen is an invisible force that quietly shapes our world. Nitrogen's story is a testament to the remarkable influence that an unreactive element can have on the dynamics of our planet and scientific progress. Nitrogen, the invisible force of life and science, showcases the profound impact that even the most abundant and inert elements can have on our world. Join us for more talks about chemical elements.